The history of cod fishing in Iceland dates back to the Viking era. Around 847 AD, Norse began migrating from Europe into Iceland. Since then, fishing has become a major part of the sustainability of Iceland along with their geotherms. Now, in modern era, not only is fish used for eating, but new advances have been made to use the fish to actually heal wounds, specifically the fish skin. We're going to find out next in a minute. Hey, this is Dr. Ben Pearl. I am here with Gunnar Johansson. He is a scientist from Iceland, and he's going to talk to us about how you can use fish skin to help with some very, very difficult wounds to heal. He knows the real deal. He's done the research. Tell us a little bit about it.
Like, of course, in the market, there's so many different products with different processing methods. And people kind of mix and match this together in their head. But one easy way I've seen to talk about this is there's basically the human or cellular products that are your amniotic tissues, your placental products, that are often like these thin membranes that do have cells in them, like frozen, alive, fresh, or not. But one of their main mechanisms is like being this barrier on the wound and delivering the cells and the good things that are in the cells, the growth factors, the cytokines, and kind of being in a stimulatory environment. But then we have the animal-derived products, and they have also this huge variety in how they're processed and how they work. So like people kind of tend to maybe group them together into one group, but both the source material, many of them are like intestine, urinary bladders, like even amniotic membrane derived sources from bovine or fish. And the big part of this is like the three-dimensional structure of these are going to be more like a scaffold, depending on the source material, how thick or how it goes to the human skin. Also the processing, and that's one of the unique thing with fish skin, especially cold water fish skin based products, is that compared to these warm-blooded mammalians like cows, cattle, sheep, pigs, and to make sure they're safe as a medical device, they have to go through harsher processing, washing out all risks of viral remnants that can be harbored. And that makes most of these products end up with mostly being the collagen. They have some of the other active ingredients, but it's mostly just the collagen scaffold, which works great to get cellular ingrowth into it. But it lacks kind of that other bioactive molecules that might help with cell signaling or function of the